What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13's screen won't turn on. So to fix this issue, first of all force restart your phone. So to do this, press and hold on the power button for at least 20 to 30 seconds and then it will show a logo on your screen, and when you see a logo on your screen, then you can release your finger. After that your phone will be restarted and your screen will start working. But if you are still facing issues, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then tap on manage apps. Now tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on other settings and then tap on reset app preferences. Now from the pop-up, tap on reset apps to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset apps option here, it will reset the preferences for all of the apps in your phone, and after that it will help you to fix the screen issues. Now that's how you can fix the screen won't turn on issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.